Solve means to work out the numerical value for a letter. The opposite of divide by 2 is to multiply both sides of our equation by 2. As we have two terms on the right hand side, we place it inside single brackets. On the left hand side, times it by 2 and divided by 2 are the inverse, so they're going to cancel. It's going to leave me with 5 minus x. On the right hand side, I've got a single bracket, 2, and in brackets 2x minus 7. Expand the single bracket on the right hand side of my equation. I know whatever's directly outside, I'm going to multiply by each term directly inside. 2 times 2x will give us 4x, and 2 times negative 7 will give us negative 14. As I'm solving, I want to get the numerical value for the letter x. Therefore, I must get all the terms that have x on one side and all the number terms on the other side. In this case, as I've got positive 4x on the right hand side, and I've got negative x on the left hand side, I'm going to bring the negative x across the 4x by doing the inverse. The opposite of minus x is to do the inverse, which is to add x to both sides. At the same time, therefore, I know I want my letters to be on the right hand side, I want my number terms to be on the left hand side. So I can move the negative 14 across the right by doing the inverse, which is to add 14 to both sides. Simplifying, on the left hand side, I now have 5 plus 14, which will give us 19, and that negative x plus x will cancel. On the right hand side, 4x add x will give us 5x, and negative 14 add 14 will cancel. 5x in algebra means 5 multiplied by x. As I want to find the numerical value for the letter x, I do the inverse, opposite of times by 5, is to divide both sides by 5. 5 over 5 will cancel to give us just x. Therefore, x is equal to 19 over 5, which I can convert back to a mixed number as being 3 and 4/5, or write as a decimal as being 3.8 for 3 marks.